In October 2025, half the internet went down at once. Snapchat, Fortnite, Roblox, all dark for most of a day. The cause wasn't a hack or a flood of traffic. One internal system left a single address empty, the address of one database that 1,000 other services quietly depended on. Nobody drew that dependency on a whiteboard. But it was right there in the architecture. One arrow that everything leaned on. Here's the thing about building with AI. It wires services together for you. A database here, an auth service there, a cache, and it all just runs. What it doesn't hand you is the map. Which box calls which way the data flows, and which single piece everything secretly leans on. That map has a name. It's the architecture diagram. Every architecture diagram is just two things, boxes and arrows. A box is a service, one piece of your app that does one job, the browser, the app server, the database. An arrow is a dependency. It means this box needs that box to do its work. Follow the direction. It points from the thing that calls to the thing it relies on. Read it like a story. A request comes in at the browser and hits your app server, the box in the middle that runs everything. From there, it fans out. The app server checks auth, reads and writes the database, and saves a trip with the cache. Now look closer. Auth also needs the database, and the cache, when it misses, falls back to the database. Trace every arrow, and they keep arriving at the same box. That's the one that matters. The database has the most arrows pointing in, so if it goes down, everything above it goes down with it. A single point of failure, just by counting arrows. You don't need to read a line of code to see it. The busiest box on the page is the one to worry about. So here's what happened to Amazon. Thousands of apps, Snapchat, Fortnite, Roblox, every one of them drew an arrow to the same database endpoint. One box at the bottom of everyone's diagram. Then the address for that box went empty. Every arrow pointing at it broke in the same instant, and there was no second box to fall back to. One arrow, 1,000 outages. So 3 things and you can read any architecture diagram. Boxes are services, arrows are dependencies, and the direction tells you who needs whom. Then find the box with the most arrows pointing in. That's your single point of failure, the one to protect, or to back up with a second. Your AI will happily build you a system like this. It's on you to read the map and ask what everything depends on. The sequence diagram, the flowchart, the decision tree, and now the architecture diagram. Go read your software. See you next time.